In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Dyno Discord bot. We'll use Discord's built-in app directory so you can add Dyno quickly and safely to your server. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account and that you have permission to manage the server you want to add Dyno to. If you can't change server settings, you won't be able to complete the process. Start by opening Discord and looking at the left-hand sidebar. Find the compass icon, which takes you to Discover. Click that. The Discover area is where Discord highlights communities and apps you can add to your server, and it's the recommended place to find verified bots. If you don't see the compass, make sure your app is updated or expand the sidebar so all icons are visible. Inside Discover, switch to the Apps section. Use the search bar and type Dyno. You should see Dyno appear in the results. Look for the verified indicator and check that the listing has a clear description and consistent branding. Choosing Dyno from this directory helps you avoid imposter bots and ensures you're granting permissions to the legitimate app. Click the Dyno listing to open its page. Here, you'll see an overview that describes what Dyno does, a list of common commands, and the permissions it needs to function. Take a moment to read this. Permissions explain what access Dyno will have, such as managing messages, viewing channels, or moderating members. Understanding these up front helps you set expectations for how the bot will interact with your server and which features you might use. When you're ready, click Add App at the top right. Discord will prompt you to select the server where you want Dyno installed. Choose your server from the dropdown. You may see a confirmation screen that summarizes the permissions Dyno is requesting. Review them, then proceed to add the app. Depending on your settings, you might also be asked to verify the action for security. That's it. After a moment, Dyno should appear in your server's member list. If you don't see it right away, give it a few seconds, switch channels, or reopen your server. You can revisit the Dyno page in the app directory anytime to recheck its overview and commands, and you'll also find commands by typing / in your server to see what's available. With Dyno added, you're set to start exploring moderation, automation, and utility features tailored to your community.